Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm sitting at the stern of a 2019 Azimut Verve 40 that we just took in on trade. And yes, even though it is a 2019, it is a used boat. It was only used for a few months. Customer brought it brand new right here from us. Decided they were more of a fisherman, traded it in on a Boston whaler. Boat is very unique in the sense that it's a center console weekender boat with a cabin that sleeps 4 people. This thing's got triple Mercury 350 Verados on it. That'll get this thing up and running at 40 knots with a 236 nautical mile range. It was originally designed to get you from southern Florida, specifically the Miami area, out to Bimini, spend the weekend, and come back without even having to fill up. So let's walk around this boat. I'll show you all the unique features. If you guys have any questions, give me a call. My phone number's on the bottom there. You can also text me or email me anytime. I'm happy to help. So starting at the rear here, we've got our standard triple 350 Verados by Mercury with joystick piloting. Joystick is an option on this boat, but it does have it. Coming up onto the deck here, you can see you got lots of space to walk around. Take a look at the hardware as we walk through. Even your gate on the back, everything is solid, polished stainless steel, top quality. Immediately when we come up on deck, we've got a swim platform here. It's actually a hydraulic door that lowers and is going to get you all the way below the water line on the outside of the boat here. Can't fold it down. As you can see, we've got a tight space inside, since this boat is, yes, inside our air-conditioned showroom. Great place to come down and take a look and shop on those hot days. Moving forward, we've got a hydraulic table that lowers. Underneath that is where the hatch is to give you access to the seakeeper. You've got a seat that slides forward and aft. Right now it's slid aft to give you access to a full table seating here. On our starboard side, we've got a grill and refrigerator. Triple seating here at our center console. Another refrigerator over on this side, as well as a sink under the flip-up lid there. Moving forward, lots of room to walk around. Very, very spacious walkway with high gunnels. Up on the bow here, we've got plenty of seating for sun lounging, backrests that flip up. And if you notice, one of my favorite things in the front here, they've lowered the windlass down into its own compartment so that it doesn't interfere with your deck space. You can open that up and have plenty of space to access the chain that goes along with it. And it's a through hull, so it drops out below. We'll show you that later too. Well, let's walk back around here to the cockpit and I'll show you what that looks like. You've got tons of grab handles everywhere you look. Up in the ceiling. Convertible floor pieces that pop down for additional footrests. And even your captain's chair here is power both up and down and fore and aft. Here's your optional joystick piloting system with integrated drift hook, autopilot, and sky hook. Dual ray marine chart plotters. Over on this side, we've got our standard bow thruster, and yes, even with the joystick piloting system, you still have a standard bow thruster in case you get into those heavy winds or strong currents at the dock. It just gives you a little extra control there. Moving down inside, I'm 6'2", and walking down here, I don't even have to duck to get down into the cabin. We've got our forward V-berth with a full-size doorway. Again, I can walk through this. Plenty of space. You have your own TV and own climate control up front there. To our port side, we've got a stove, microwave, another TV, and plenty of area around your sink. Currently, the starboard seating area is turned into a bed, but that does lift up and gives you a nice little dinette area. And finally, to stern, we've got a nice sized bathroom. This is a wet head, so you don't have a separate shower, but this gives you plenty of space to move around. Nice teak flooring in there as well, and a nice big sink. If you guys have any questions at all about this boat, or would like to come down and take a peek at it in person, like I said, it is inside in our air-conditioned showroom, and getting this thing slightly used is going to save you a ton of money off of the list of a new one. Give me a call, text, email anytime. My cell phone number is listed right there at the bottom of the screen for a reason. Happy to help. Thanks.